Shloka had access to luxury from a young age. While her childhood remained mostly hidden from the public eye, it laid the groundwork for her future as a member of India's elite. The Ambani Collection. What truly propelled Shloka Mehta into the spotlight was her marriage to Akash Ambani, the scion of the Ambani mega fortune. This union not only solidified her position in the upper echelons of Indian society but also made her a subject of intrigue for the masses. Whether seen dropping her son off at school or gracing red carpet events, fans are eager to catch a glimpse of Shloka's life, particularly her fashion choices, jewelry, and the luxury cars she and Akash own. Expensive cars. One of the most prominent facets of Shloka and Akash's opulent lifestyle is their array of luxury cars. In September, the couple was sighted visiting actress Alia Bhatt in Mumbai in a brand new Bentley Bentayga. This white Bentley is equipped with a 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, producing an impressive 542 brake horsepower. Valued at around $167,000 without customizations, the car features an 8-speed automatic transmission, dark tint, diamond-brushed aluminum panoramic roof, and air suspension. Rare video footage of the couple driving this extravagant vehicle left many in awe of their lavish choices. Lavish mansion. In India, it's customary for families to stay together, fostering a sense of community within their household. Akash and Shloka have embraced this tradition by choosing to reside in none other than Antilia, the iconic 27-story Mumbai mansion built by the Ambani patriarch, Mukesh Ambani. This architectural masterpiece has become synonymous with opulence and extravagance, earning its place among the most awe-inspiring residences globally. Antilia stands as a symbol of grandeur, a testament to the Ambani family's immense wealth and status. Beyond its imposing height and striking facade, the mansion boasts a staggering array of amenities that epitomize luxury living. Antilia features not one, but 3 helipads, a feature that speaks to the Ambani family's affinity for convenience and exclusivity. These helipads allow for easy and direct access to the residence, eliminating the need for cumbersome commutes in Mumbai's bustling streets. Within the mansion, there is a dedicated theatre that can comfortably accommodate up to 80 guests. This private cinema space is outfitted with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring an unparalleled entertainment experience for the Ambani family and their esteemed guests. Antilia boasts a world-class spa facility, providing Akash and Shloka with the perfect escape from the demands of their high-profile lives. This serene oasis is a place for relaxation and rejuvenation, offering a wide range of spa treatments and wellness amenities. Before we delve further into the video, let's take a moment to speculate on what other lavish amenities Antilia might offer. Could it include a private art gallery showcasing priceless masterpieces, a ballroom for extravagant events, or perhaps a sophisticated wine cellar stocked with rare vintages? Share your guesses in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more intriguing details. Among the most astounding features of the mansion is its expansive garage designed to house an astounding 168 cars. This mind-boggling collection showcases the Ambani family's penchant for luxury automobiles, providing a secure and climate-controlled environment for their prized vehicles. For hosting grand events and soirees, Shloka has a magnificent ballroom at her disposal. This elegant space is adorned with opulent decor and is perfectly suited for hosting lavish gatherings, charity events, and celebrations of all kinds. In the morning, she enjoys walking around the terrace gardens, which are a sight to behold. Lush greenery and meticulously landscaped spaces offer a serene retreat. In the heart of bustling Mumbai, the gardens provide a respite from the city's hustle and bustle, allowing for leisurely strolls and moments of reflection. Since the birth of their son, PRV, in December 2021, Akash and Shloka have continued to reside in this extraordinary residence, making it a cherished family home. The strategic layout of Antalya, with its extra high ceilings, creates the illusion of living in a typical 60-story building. Each floor is thoughtfully designed to provide seamless access to the various amenities, ensuring that the Ambani family can effortlessly move between their private spaces and communal areas. Antalya stands as a testament to the Ambani family's unparalleled wealth and their commitment to a life of opulence. For Akash and Shloka, it's not just a house, it's a symbol of their legacy and a heaven of luxury that encapsulates their extraordinary journey through life. Fashion icon. Shloka Mehta has swiftly risen to the status of a fashion icon in India. Her style is regularly featured on best dressed lists, and she is renowned for her impeccable fashion choices. She often gravitates toward lehengas, ankle-length skirts popular in India, and frequently opts for custom-made outfits designed by renowned couturiers. One such designer is Anamika Khanna, who dresses Bollywood actresses, politicians, and the wealthy elite. Shloka's outfits are often adorned with intricate embroidery and unique details, with some outfits costing thousands of dollars. For instance, a particular outfit highlighted by Vogue India would set her back at least $3,000, excluding the Mangatika, a forehead jewelry piece. Shloka's love for jewelry. As the daughter of Russell Mehta, the owner of one of India's leading diamond companies. Before her marriage, she even held a directorial position in her father's company, shaping her into a connoisseur of fine jewelry. Known for her penchant for statement pieces, whether attending traditional events or opting for a contemporary look, her jewelry choices always capture attention and reflect her innate sense of style. Shloka Mehta's life is a captivating blend of privilege, luxury, and elegance. From her early days in a wealthy family to her marriage into one of India's most influential dynasties, her life has been marked by opulence and sophistication. Her love for expensive cars, residence in the iconic Antalya mansion, and her status as a fashion icon and jewelry enthusiast all contribute to her hidden opulent lifestyle. Shloka's love for philanthropy and charity. As the wife of Akash Ambani, is known for her commitment to philanthropy and charity work. She is involved in various initiatives through the Reliance Foundation, focusing on areas like education, healthcare, rural development, and disaster response. Shloka has shown a passion for making a positive impact in society through her charitable endeavors. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to comment on what topic you'd like us to cover in our next video. Your feedback fuels our content creation. While you're here, be sure to check out some of our other videos related to today's topic for more insightful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.